Today we said Josie from Dave Educate. Today we'll be learning about the Internet. Internet is a global network of computers. It is the largest computer network of the world. History of Internet. The history of Internet began with the development of electronic computers in the 1950s. Later in 1969, the Department of Defense of the United States of America set up a network of computers called ARPANET. To speed up the network connection, the NSF established 5 supercomputing centers in 1986 for creating the NSF-net backbone. The NSF-net continued to grow and became a very large network known as the Internet. The given picture describes the growth of Internet. In 1969, ARPANET was made. In middle of 1969 and 1973, the FTP and TCP/IP protocol was made. In the middle of 1982 and 1990, the Internet was made. In 1990, the World Wide Web was made. Directly after 1994, the Netscape was made. Netscape, Yahoo, and Amazon.com were made. In 1995, eBay, Likes, Azul, and that is made. In 1998, directly after 1998, Google was made. In 2000, directly before 2003, MySpace.com and Napster were made. Directly before 2004, the Wikipedia, Skype were made. In 2005, directly after were YouTube and Twitter. Then after that, Instagram and Pinterest was made. Let's go. Now who governs the Internet? Nobody. Nobody actually governs the Internet. It's nothing. Although several organizations over the world collaborate in its functioning. The Internet IAB is a Internet Activities Board. It is a volunteer organization that provides architectural guidance and resolves conflict for the engineering tasks, i.e. Internet Engineering Task Force, IETF. It also advises the Internet Society, ISOC, related to technical and procedural matters. Internet Corporate for Assigned Names and Numbers, ICANN. Responsible for the connection of several databases in unique identifiers, thus leading to the namespaces of the Internet, such as IP address and domain names. Thus, ICANN plays a major role in Internet governance. World Wide Web Consortium, WFLEC. It is the main interconnected standards organization for the World Wide Web, also known as WWW, as it develops protocols and the guidelines that ensure the long-term growth of the net. Working of the Internet. The TCP/IP protocol set of rules is needed for the working of the Internet. When data is transferred from one computer to another over the Internet, it is broken down into pieces using TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, not compartment. Serially. The IP has the IP address, a unique address of the sender computer node and the recipient computer node to each packet so that it reaches the correct recipient. The recipient computer receives packets in random manner. It may receive 10 packets before one arrives. If a package is garbled, if the package is eaten or lost, It is demanded again. The packets are reassembled in the order they were sent and the original message is obtained. Step 1. The TCP breaks data into packets. Step 2. The packets travel from router to router over the internet according to the IP protocol. Step 3. The TCP reassembles the packets into the original whole. Basic terms of the internet. www. The World Wide Web, or simply the web, is a subset of the computer that contains a large amount of information. If anybody hacks this thing, the entire internet can be deleted. That's how important it is. It is governed by the HTTP. HTTP specifies the set of rules used to translate it on www. The www was developed by Tim Berners-Lee. Website. A website is a collection of interrelated web pages that provide information to the user for a commercial organization. It enables its potential customers to learn about the organization, its products, and its service. Web pages. Web pages in front of web pages continues. A web page consists the information from text, graphics, hyperlinks, or sounds, and is created by the HTML, also known as the hypertext markup language. Web pages form the building blocks of a website. Homepage, the main introduction. Oh, that hurts. Something weird. Whenever I'm coughing, I'm fine. Oh wait, Oh, and by the way, router travel from router to router. So basically, the sender, the TCP/IP breaks it into packet to packet to packet. Router's other name is packet. So it's confusing because step 2 says the packets travel from packet to packet over the internet according to the IP protocol. Yeah. The TCP assembles the packet into the original whole. Hyperlinks. A hyperlink may be a text or a picture. It connects the link to other parts of the same web page or other related web pages. Requirements for internet connection. If we want to connect a computer to the internet, you need the following: a modem, a telephone line, a web browser, and a ICP or an IAP. If you do not have even a single one of those, you're dead. Okay, if you don't have the telephone line, it's okay. Now, modem is the abbreviation for modular demodulator. It is used to transfer data from one computer to a network to another through telephone lines. That's all. ISP. ISP is an organization that you need to pay for them to give you internet. Telephone line. A telephone line is required to transfer data from one information to another computer. Web browser. A web browser is a software that enables the users to locate and access the web pages. If you do not have a web browser but you have internet, you will not be able to do Browsing the internet. To browse the internet on your computer, follow these steps. 1. Double-click the icon of the browser that is available on your computer. For example, Google Chrome. Click Start, All Apps, Google Chrome. The Google Chrome browser interface appears. Type the URL in the website that you want to go to in the address bar and type Enter. The web page, home page of that particular website opens in the browser. That is all for this chapter. Bye-bye! Jesus Christ, I can't believe it's been 9 minutes only? Huh? How was it only 9 minutes? I read an entire chapter. Okay. Okay, we're going to do the explanation now, only just because I realized that it's only been 9 minutes somehow. How? I read an entire chapter. How the hell was that 7 minutes? This is a 6-page chapter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost a 6-page chapter. Jesus. Okay, we're going to be doing the explanation now. No, bye. Shut that, bye. Now, basically, the internet is a network. It is just connected from one computer to another, to another, to another. If one of those computers doesn't have it, then all the internet is closed. And then they're connected back. Oh, and yes, same thing we taught in robotics class. I have a robotics class, by the way. That we put it in parallel, not serial. Because LEDs, if we put it in serial, then if one LED is removed, then all of it breaks. Right, Dad? Dad, अगर हम serial में LEDs डालेंगे और एक LED को निकाला, तो वो पूरा खत्म हो जाएगा. और अगर parallel में जाएंगे और एक को निकाला, तो वो सही होगा. My dad is computer expert and he looks dumb as now. You are computer expert. Now you look dumb.
That's your class is going on, not my class.
Get out! Okay, I can't do this. But actually, is it correct? Okay. The history of the internet began with the development of electronic computers. What are electronic computers? The computer you're using right now to watch this video. That's an electronic computer. Good. Who covers the internet? Electronic computers. They are so basically, some guy named United States make ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. The network consisted of 1 computer in California but 3 in Utah. Huh? 1 plus 3 equals 70. Yep, 1 plus 3 equals 70. The math ain't mathing. Yes, it is, you dingus. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Working of the antenna. The walking of the antenna. Ah! Wow, 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 wow. Hey, इतना बड़ा नहीं हो रहा है. TCP/IP. The TCP/IP protocol, a set of rules. Look, this is how big the rules list is. As much as this room, if you printed out the TCP/IP protocol, it would be bigger than this entire room. Is that correct? If you printed out the entire TCP/IP protocol, it would be bigger than the room. That's correct. Modern. Basically, what a modem is basically just a thing that you use for modern connection. It's basically like a telephone line. Because don't we need telephone lines? Look, basically, first a computer is there. It sends a digital signal into the modem. The modem transfers it into an analog signal. Then the other modem transfers it into a digital signal and gives it back. Basically, what we send it first. A sends it into our characters. Then modem transfers it into digital. Then look, अगर हमने बस ऐसे टाइप किया हा 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 हा, अगर मॉडम ने नहीं ट्रांसफर किया तो क्या कंप्यूटर प्रोसेस कर सकती थी? हाँ, who, he, what letter is this bitches? Then, if they were able to process it and we remove the last modem, will we be able to learn 0, 1, 0, 1? What will we know? So it's a digital signal. We transfer it back into the digital signal and give it. There are 2 types of modems, internal and external. The internal motor is fitted inside and the external is placed outside. Yeah, but the external will grab a modem We grab an internal modem, we slap it, throw it into a case, throw it out of the goddamn computer. That is how easy it is. No, I'm joking. It ain't easy to make a modem. It takes 5 days to make one modem. How do I know? Because I've seen people do it. This man has done it. No, literally, it takes 5 days of takes a lot. They have to really sew each little piece. If even one screw just bends, then the entire circuit is destroyed. So they have a lot of practice, I may say. Okay, and that's all. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye bye. It's only been 15 minutes somehow. I'm very scared if my dad will hit me.